Hi, my name is Dexter Godby, and I'm here today on behalf of Understand More. Of course, you can see here with me is my friend Benny the Brain, and we're going to be your guides as we explore why people have problems with comprehension. Perhaps you do. Perhaps a spouse or loved one or significant other does. Perhaps your children do. Perhaps they're struggling in school. Many people have a lot of problems with comprehension. And let's start by just seeing exactly what we mean when we say comprehension. Comprehension means understanding what you read and remembering it. Emphasize that, and remembering it. It's understanding what you read and remembering it. Now, let's just do a little exercise here. Please read the word in the box here. That's right, it's frog. Now, look within your mind. If you need to close your eyes to do this, it's fine right now. But preferably look at the word and look in your mind at the same time and see if you don't have a mental picture of frog. And yours may be entirely different from mine. What's your frog look like? Just stop for a second and describe it for yourself. Make sure you have a real clear picture of that. So you may have mentally pictured a green frog on a lily pad, a brown frog out in the grass, a stuffed toy frog, a cartoon frog from somewhere on television. It doesn't make any difference. It's your picture. And if you could look inside your head when you did this activity, you would see that your understanding of this word frog involves words, and it may have sounds associated with those words, and also with mental pictures. It's both of those things. This is important. It's both of those things, words and mental pictures. The word in this case is frog, and the picture is whatever you pictured as a frog. And when learning and comprehension is efficient, it's working right, it's easy. The right and left sides of the brain, the word side and the picture side, are working together. They're in harmony. The words trigger the mental images. The mental images trigger the words, and they work together. Unfortunately, we're not quite sure why this is, but unfortunately some individuals do not make those mental pictures very effectively or very easily, and so comprehension is more difficult for them and understanding suffers. Again, you may know individuals who have a hard time learning, a hard time comprehending, a hard time understanding what they're reading. And it's quite likely that it's because there's no harmony between the word side of the brain and the picture side of the brain. Now, let's take a quick look at how you use mental images to understand ideas. Not just words, but ideas, concepts. Please read the next sentence, just as it's presented on the slide. And then I'm going to ask you some questions about the pictures in your mind. The